For the overnight oat base, you're gonna need a half of a cup of milk, either plant-based or cow milk, depending on your preferences. A fourth of a cup of yogurt, which you can also replace for more milk, and mix until the liquids are really incorporated to the oats premix. This is an important step because that way the milk and the yogurt as well are going to moist all the oats and the chia seeds in the mix. Cover your mix with a lid and leave it on the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. The first recipe is mango and coconut. So you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of shredded or coconut flakes, the one you have at hand, 1/2 of a cup of diced mango. And in this video I am using dried mango, but you can also use fresh mango, frozen, or whatever mango you have at hand. Mix all the ingredients and then you can top it up with more mango and coconut flakes. And enjoy! The second recipe is a strawberry parfait. For this recipe, you're gonna add to your overnight oats premix 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. To this, you're gonna add 1/2 of a cup of strawberries diced or in small cuts. Then you're gonna add chocolate chips or dark chocolate chunks. That's optional. Mix all the ingredients in a jar, same as we did with our overnight oat base, and leave it overnight or for 4 hours minimum. After the soaking process, you can top it up with more fruit and chocolate and peanut butter or almond butter, or just consume it as it is. If you feel your overnight oats is too dry, you can add a little bit more of milk or water, whatever it is that you're using. And this can help you to make it more softer and ease the mix. Enjoy! Our last recipe is a combination of banana and our cranberries and chia seed granola. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 banana and the cranberry and chia seeds granola. Add to a bowl 1/2 of your banana, mash it very well, and then incorporate the overnight oat base that you prepare initially in this video and mix very well. After that, you can eat your overnight oats in the bowl, or you can decorate your own glass. This is how I usually do. You put some bananas and then add some of the overnight oats premix, and then you top it up with granola and banana, and then you have it. Banana and granola overnight oats. Enjoy! I hope these ideas encourage you to eat more healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!